What's up, guys? This is Brent with Western Equipment. Now let's jump right on in and start talking about this MG20F from Frontier. Now, what this is going to be is this is going to be obviously a grapple for your front end loader, but this is going to be a little bit different than most grapples that you may be used to seeing. So what you usually see is that these grapples have a hydraulic cylinder on top and they use a third function hydraulic to be able to close that grapple. But this is going to be a mechanical grapple to where it closes just on the bucket cylinders. So you're going to have the same raise and lower function on your loader just like normal, except whenever we go to do that bucket dump or bucket curl, rather, that is going to close down this top clamp. So whenever you are going up and you are ready to pick up some material, basically you're going to use this lower end here sort of as a bulldozer to be able to push up that pile. And then once you have that pile, you're going to close down this top grapple by dumping your bucket, pushing out to the right. That is going to be as if we were dumping the bucket, and so that is going to close these tines down on whatever it is that you are trying to pick up. So looking a little bit here about how this machine is constructed, let's first talk about the build of it here. This is going to be made out of 218 pounds of solid steel. So this is going to be welded together. What you're going to have is 6 tines across the bottom, 6 tines across the top here, and you're going to notice these notches and edges here to help hold your material in once you get that pile collected. Now, this is going to have a lifting capacity of 1,200 pounds, but that is also going to depend on the lifting capacity of your loader. So keep that in mind. This machine is going to fit the 1 series, 2 series, and 3 series machines, meaning it's going to fit the 100 series loaders, 200 series loaders, and 300 series loaders, as long as they have a John Deere quick attach system. So right here is how you're going to attach that system. You're simply going to pull up to the machine, hook it with the top of your quick attach system. Once you have that hooked and you have it swung back, you have 2 pins you're going to simply drop in, one on the right, one on the left, and then that attachment is going to be firmly mounted to your machine. What you're also going to see here is you're going to have a 54-inch width here in the front. You're also going to notice you're going to have a couple of protective barriers here that are going to help protect your loader boom. So if you're getting into that brush, or maybe we're picking up some steel pipe or some things that could cause some damage to our hoses, you do have a little bit of protection here on the top on both sides going back to those booms. So that is a nice design feature. You're also going to have some welded pieces that are put in here to help grab in between these teeth here, in between your first 2, your middle 2, and your last 2. All of these are going to be there to help you make that crunch whenever we're picking up whatever that material is that we are getting after. Now, some of the nice things about a mechanical grapple is you can still pick up a numerous amount of things. I was just around the yard here, went ahead and picked up the pallet that this grapple was actually sitting on, and then also went around, found a pile of fence posts that are usually used in shipping there, and I was able to use that bottom side to kind of scoop those up and then pinch up a couple of those. Now, if those would have been in a little better pile, I could have got all of them scooped up, then pinched around them and picked up probably that entire pile. So that is nice, is that you still have a very versatile tool here. The other nice thing is that you are going to be at a lot lower cost with this machine because you are not requiring that third function hydraulic. So not only are we missing out on the cost of having that hydraulic cylinder on the tool itself, but then also you're missing out on having to add third function to the machine that you're wanting to use this grapple on, therefore making this grapple a lot more accessible to other machines. So maybe this video showed you something that you had not thought about purchasing for your tractor before, but just so you know, the Frontier MG20F is out there that fits your 1, 2, and 3 series John Deere tractors. So if you did not know about this and you have been needing a grapple for your machine and not wanting to add that third function, this is the way to go. I highly suggest you go and check it out. So I hope this video helped you out. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, if you are wanting to see more videos like this, more videos about John Deere tractors or John Deere equipment, make sure to check out all the other videos in the channel. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Hey guys, make sure to check out this cool video and this one. Buy your parts right up here and subscribe right here.